Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and lip swatching the new KKW lipsticks. I believe this is her first lipstick formula or whatever. I could be wrong because I just started getting her PR. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of cool, but also kind of looks cheap. I'm honestly not a big fan of acrylic. I don't mind like the package this comes in, the PR comes in. But the actual lipstick containers look kind of cheap to me. These are called Beauty Crème Lipsticks and Lip Liners. Alright, so these are what the lip liners look like. This is the packaging. So I honestly don't really like lip liners, I'm not gonna lie. I just never use them. But I will swatch these just for you guys. So the first one is Nude 1. This is a light true nude. So here is Nude 1 lip liner. This one right here is Nude 2. And then right here is lip liner 3. So it's kind of like light, medium, and dark. These are actually really creamy, so that's really good. So back to the lipsticks. There are 8 shades of these, and they are each. So the set of 8 altogether are $144. Is $144. The lipsticks are 18 each, and the lip liners are 12 each. So here's the packaging on them. Like I said before, I think it's a little bit cheap looking. It just like looks very drugstore if you ask me. Like this one right here, this is from, what is this from? This is from L'Oreal, but this one looks like really cheap. I mean, it's kind of the same thing. The acrylic, I just don't like. It just looks very plasticky and very cheap. But that's okay. Whatever, I guess what matters is the products inside. This is a light pinky nude. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these. This is what it looks like all the way twisted up. Personally, I like a more creamy, hydrating lipstick instead of a matte because mattes can get streaky. I also like how cream lipsticks have a glow, kind of like a gloss, so that your lips look a little bit more luscious and bigger. Alright, so this is a Nude 1. That went on really easily. It's very creamy, pigmented, and it feels really good on my lips. If I did wear a lip with this look, I probably would do something like this because my eyes are just so intense that this just kind of like balances it out a little bit, you know? So yeah, I really love this shade. I love light, like kind of like nude, warm tone lips that are shiny. I'm actually probably gonna wear this a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Here is Nude 2. Alright, here is Nude 2. With this eye, it's a little bit warm, but I still love this lip color. Like I said, I like warm shades. This one's a little bit warmer than the last one. So I do love this. I think this would be really pretty with the first one ombre'd out in the center. I just want to try that just to see what it looks like. Oh yeah. That's really pretty. Alright, so on to number 3, Nude 3. Here's what it looks like. This is a mid-tone terracotta. These are so easy to apply. You see that? Alright, here is Nude 3. Boom, so pretty. These are all pretty nude, that's why I did do a crazy eye. Plus I've been dying to do a crazy eye. Or just want to do something a little bit different, just because I haven't been doing different stuff lately. Actually I have, but I'm just like loving it, so that's why I've been doing it more. Anyways, here is Nude 3. Pretty. Yes, these are honestly so freaking comfortable. So easy to apply. Yeah, I'm happy with these. Alright, next up, Nude 4. This is a mid-tone cool nude. Alright, this application is a little bit off, but doesn't matter. Alright, so here's Nude 4. Here is Nude 5. This is a mid-tone rosy nude. Alright, here is shade Nude 5. Here's Nude 6. This is a deep brown nude. Alright, here's Nude 6. I personally don't really like this shade. Maybe it's just the eyeshadow with this. Alright, next up is Nude 7. This is a Mocha nude. These are a lot warmer than I thought they were going to be. From the pictures that I've seen on Instagram, they looked a lot more cool toned. Like a lot more cool toned. That's why I kind of did like a crazy eye. But it's okay. Alright, here's Nude 7. Like I said earlier, a lot warmer than I thought they were going to be. So here's a nice brown shade. A mocha nude is what they say. Alright, here is the last shade, Nude 8. This is a deep chocolate nude. Alright, here is Nude 8. I actually really like this one. This one is super pigmented. Full coverage right there. These are so comfortable. I mean, this is a look. It's a look. Alright guys, so here's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just popped number 1 and 2 back on and mixed them together and put them on. So that's what I have on my lips right now. Just because it's my favorite out of the bunch with this eye look in particular. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This was to help you guys decide if you guys would like to buy these or review, and to see them on me. If you have a similar skin tone, you can kind of see what they would kind of look like on you with your skin tone, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah. Alright guys, so let me know your thoughts on these products, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about the lipsticks down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces.